In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change app icons on iOS 26 as well as future iOS updates. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and pick any app on your home screen and long press it. You're going to see a bunch of different options appear. Some are going to be specific to that app, but the one that you're trying to select is this edit home screen section, just like so, and it's going to make all of your apps start jiggling. Go ahead and tap edit up in the top left, and you're going to want to select customize just like so. Now you can switch to a new icon style, for example, something like dark mode, clear, tinted, and then you can actually change all of them as well from within here. It's pretty cool. But for example, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose something like liquid glass. You can also switch between dark liquid glass, auto liquid glass, and light liquid glass to match your theme. And if you want larger icons, you can actually tap on the size to actually adjust them just like so. To get out of this section, go ahead and just tap anywhere on the screen. And to change things back, go ahead and repeat that exact same process. Go into customize and then go back to that default setting. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.